Hi, this is Rob Tullis from Demontown.com. This is the fourth video in the playlist on how to start a blog. The first videos involved buying a domain name, installing hosting, and installing WordPress on your host, and then some general WordPress settings in your dashboard. Today's video is going to be installing plugins and themes, and I will try to get through it as quickly as possible. It's quite easy to do. First of all, log into your WordPress website and go to your dashboard and click on the plugins tab in the menu. What will open up is a list of the plugins that are in the WordPress approved repository. These are plugins that are approved by WordPress. They are also, the base plugins will be free. There will be some premium plugins here, and they'll give you maybe a little taste of what the plugin does for free, and then give you the option to upgrade it. So first of all, I will put a list of plugins in the description below, and you can install them at your leisure. I'm not going to install all of them, but right now let's take a look for Yoast. It's a very common plugin, Yoast SEO. It is used to help you do SEO on individual posts. As you can see, it has over 1 million active installs. It was updated very recently, as a week ago, and it is compatible with this version of WordPress. So to install this, it's as simple as clicking this button that says Install Now. It'll take a few seconds to actually upload the plugin into your dashboard and activate. And that's it. You've got your plugin. Yoast SEO is now installed and activated. It'll take you, after you activate it, it takes you into your plugin list. As you can see, I already installed WP Fastest Cache. That's my recommended cache plugin for free. It is the best one I found. I've tested a lot of the caching plugins, and this one actually works the best. The only other caching plugin that I would use is a premium plugin called Rocket Cache. I'll also leave the link to that in the description, but for free caching plugins, WP Fastest Cache seems to be the best. So that's it. That's how you install a plugin from the repository. If you have a premium plugin that you've downloaded, you can upload the zip file. If it's too big, you will have to upload it via FTP protocol, or FTP, which stands for File Transfer Protocol, and I'll show you how to do that quickly as well. So again, if you have a plugin that is premium, you've downloaded the files, you just again go click on Add New Plugin. This time you go to Upload Plugin, and then click here, you choose a file and install it. So it's as simple as going here, choosing a file. All-in-One WP Migration is a plugin that you use to do backups and transferring your WordPress website from one host to another. I believe it's actually free, so you can probably find it in this section here, but to just illustrate how to upload the zip file, you just choose the file, choose it in the file manager, and then click Install Now, and it will go in, and there you go. It's unpacking the plugin, installing the plugin. It's installed successfully. You go ahead and activate the plugin, and it returns there. And it tells you that this particular version, there's an update. So that's it. That's as simple as that. Now, if the plugin is too big and your install won't allow you to update it, you can try using what's called an FTP program. There's a free one called FileZilla. You can download that and install it on your computer, and it will help you install plugins, themes, and fix the files in the background. So first of all, I'll put the link to FileZilla in the description. Download that to your computer and install it, and I will show you how to upload a plugin using that. Okay, once you've downloaded FileZilla to your website and hooked it up to your, or downloaded FileZilla to your computer and hooked it up to your website, this is what it will look like. I've now connected to the Caveboy back end of the website, and this side of FileZilla is my computer. This is my download file plugin zip. This is where some of these plugins are that I want to install. As you can see, the Beaver Builder plugin is quite huge, and you want to go over onto this side where your website is, and you've got Caveboy Creeper. You need to go to the public HTML, open that, and to the content. That's where the plugins are located, the themes and whatnot. So you open that, there's the plugin section, and down here you can see these are the plugins that we've already installed, and it's very simply drag the Beaver Builder plugin standard from one side to the other, and the FileZilla will facilitate the transfer. Now this will take some time because it is a really large plugin. So that's FTP transfer. what you need to do is, usually when you log in on your file manager, it will be the same login information that you use to get onto your cPanel. As you can see, it's taking its sweet time to upload. So while it's doing that, I will come back to the plugins where we've added the plugins. And as you can see, Akismet, all-in-one migration, both need updates. So what you can do is either do them one at a time here by just clicking Update Now. You can pick each one of these and choose Update. Or if you're just logged in, you can see now I have 2 plugins up here to update. So we can just do these one at a time for now. And what WordPress is doing is going out to Akismet and it's updating the plugin. You can see that one's already updated. And that one's updated. So that's easy. So there's 3 ways to upload plugins. You can go to, or add new plugins. Go here to add new plugins. You can add it through the repository. You can upload a plugin through a zip file, or you can download a premium plugin to your computer and upload it through file transfer protocol. Now let's move on to themes. Themes are essentially the same. You do the same way. Here's the appearance. Click on themes. These are the themes that are currently installed on your website. You can just click here to add new, and the exact same thing. Here are themes that are in the WordPress approved theme repository, and there's thousands and thousands here. You can see the transfers are finished now from the FTP. So if you found a free theme that you want to use, you can just search for it here, and it will pop up on the screen below, and all you do is click Install. I don't actually have a free theme that I was going to use, so let's just use this one right here called Blog 64. Click Install. It is now installed, and if you want to activate it, that will actually change the way your WordPress install looks. So let's just actually click Activate, and let's take a look here. So now that's active. We'll go to, this is the old theme, and it may look terrible. There's the new theme, Cave Boy Creeper, just another WordPress site. That's how quick it is. Now this was relatively easy because it didn't cause a lot of problems. Sometimes when you activate a new theme, it will really look like a mess. To change it back, it's as simple as going back to your theme screen. 2017 was the theme we were using, and click Activate on this theme. It is now the primary theme. You can go back to here, refresh your page, and you can see the theme has changed back. That is how easy changing themes are. So same idea for uploading themes. Add new. You can find one in the repository. You can upload it. If you have a theme that you have on your files or in your files, you can just go upload theme. Again, do not unzip the file format. You choose the file folder. As you can see, I have Genesis themes in here, the Milan Pro. I'm going to install Genesis first because it is the framework that I suggest. Again, that link will be in the description below. And you click Open, Genesis 2.6.1, install now. You need to have the Genesis framework installed before using Genesis child themes. So just keep that in mind. As you can see, installing theme from uploaded file, Genesis 2.6.1 is installed. So go back to themes. You don't activate this theme. You just leave it in your theme area if you're using Genesis. You need the framework in order to use the child themes. So let's go back to the file protocol, the FTP transfer, and we'll show you how to transfer a theme into it via that. I could do this through just adding new because it is a fairly small theme, but I'm going to show you how to do it through the FTP as well. So here is FileZilla open up. Now instead of plugins, you just click the themes and it will open the themes file. As you can see, here's the Genesis that I just uploaded, the Blog 64 that we uploaded beforehand, but I'm going to install the Milan Pro, and it's just simply easy as clicking, holding the click down, dragging it over, and dropping it into this section over here. And as you can see, it is uploading. And this is much quicker because it's a much smaller file. And if we minimize this and go back to themes, you will see that the Milan Pro has been installed. Let's just refresh this. And there it is, Milan Pro. So to activate this, we would just click the activate button, or this I suspect would have a lot more issues than just activating this one. So let's just do a live preview on this and see what it looks like. So it will open up the customizer and it will show you, it looks actually pretty similar to the main theme. So as you can see, here's the sidebar. This is where your widget section goes. It's a little bit different than the standard 2017 theme. And again, here are the options. You can see the colors, background selection. So there's different options now because I've got a different theme. Your header image, there is no header image currently. Background image, there isn't any. So the options on this side have changed because I have changed the theme. So that's how easy it is to install plugins and themes and how to activate them. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or just get a hold of me and I'll see if I can answer them. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That would be great. I'd appreciate that. And we'll see you in the next video.